Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm glad that you're here. Today we're going to make an egg roll bowl. Now this is the inside of an egg roll basically, and it's really good, and if you eat it just by itself then it's low carb, very keto friendly, and you can make some rice with it and then it's not so low carb, or you can have cauliflower rice with it. So it's very versatile, so you can eat it just like it is, which we do most of the time, or you can put rice with it. But it is easy and delicious, so let's get cooking. We're going to start out by browning some of our ground pork. I need to let you know in advance that I am cooking for a big crowd, so I'm going to double this recipe. So here's 2 pounds of the ground pork, and I'm just going to get my little chopper here and chop it up. I like to do this really fine, and you'll see in a minute how fine it gets. I'm going to add salt and pepper and some granulated garlic, my 3 go-to spices. Y'all know that. So once that's in there, I'll just keep chopping it up until I get it how I want it, the texture, which is tiny pieces. In this I prefer. Now I'm just going to add our tricolor coleslaw mix. Now you can chop up your cabbage and just use cabbage, but I like to use this because it's just simple and easy. Once I get that going, I'll start adding the seasonings to the top. I do pick out, there's big chunks in that I don't like, so I do pick those out before I start adding seasoning. But all the ingredients will be in the description box, so no worries if I'm going a little too fast for you right here. Have made this so many times that I don't measure anymore, and once you get the flavors that you want, you'll know what to add and what not to add. But here I'm just gonna add some fresh ginger. Now I keep my ginger in the freezer, and then when you need to use it, you just take it out and use the microplane, and you don't have to peel it or anything, and it is so simple just to do that. And there's nothing quite like fresh ginger. Once your cabbage has, or the slaw has cooked down like you like it, the texture you want, I just top it with some sesame seeds. I just like the flavor of those on top to garnish. And here we go. Simple, delicious, and nutritious. Now let's start on the Korean beef. Oh, this is so good. We're going to make Korean beef. This is so good. It's kind of sweet and spicy and savory all at the same time. It's very easy to make, and we just serve it right over rice. Let's get cooking some Korean beef. So to start this, you just need a pound of ground beef and some onions. We're going to get that going in our pan, and I'm going to use my little chopper because I want to chop this up kind of fine, but not as fine as what I did for the egg roll bowl. Now I'm going to start on the sauce once that meat is going, and all of the ingredients will be in the description box, so no worries here if you miss something. So it's just some garlic. I used granulated garlic. You can use fresh. Some brown sugar. All I had on hand was the dark brown, but it calls for light brown. And then we're going to add some soy sauce. And yes, all this will be in the description box, all the measurements. But I do recommend that you make extra sauce, because when you put it over rice, I feel that it needs that extra sauce for that rice. And I usually double or triple the recipe for the sauce, and it just makes it that much more yummy. And here we're going to add some sesame seed oil. You could use a different oil if you want, but this really makes it that Asian flavor that you need. So we'll add that right in, and then you'll see me add the red pepper flakes and some ginger, and y'all know I keep that ginger right in the freezer so I can pull it out of there and just put it on a microplane, and it is ready to go. Now that our sauce is made, we're going to set it to the side, and we're going to continue to cook the beef and the onion and get some rice going. To drain that fat off, and this is how I like to do it. I just take a paper towel and some tongs and just soak that up. But I'm also going to make some egg rolls, and these are pre-packaged, so you do you, however you want to do your egg rolls, or not have them at all. But we're going to dump this sauce over because the beef is all cooked. And like I said before, it's best to make double or triple. That way you have a good amount of sauce at the end. But we're just going to heat this through until those sugars have melted and it caramelizes just a little bit. But it's still saucy, so you don't want it too thick. You still want that sauce to be able to pour over that rice. And here is my plate. That Korean beef right over the top of the rice with some egg rolls on the side. Delicious, sweet, savory, oh so yummy. But I hope you enjoyed both of these recipes, and if you give them a try, let me know, and let me know how you like them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. Hit that follow button if you haven't already so you don't miss any recipes. I upload videos once a week. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.